tumbled leather. Yo, what's good everybody? I'm back again, another sneaker review video for y'all, and today we have the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low, and I think it's called the Olive or the Olive Branch. I'm not really sure what they're calling it, but anyway, very nice shoe. I got these from my boy Joe. He came through for me. He sent me over a pair for a review, and I wanted to get this one out because so many people have the shoe and they're reviewing it already, and I was just so curious. So definitely wanted to get a pair to show you guys myself, okay? Before I get started breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends, all those good things that everybody else says in their videos. Please do that here. I see the growth and I'm really appreciative of it. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. Go ahead and check out the Reels page. The Reels page is popping. It's got a lot of shoes up there, all right? So we'll check that out. And last but not least, make sure you guys follow us in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description, so go ahead and hit that link and follow us in there. Get in the conversation. We got a lot of good people in there. It's a good community. We share shoes, we trade shoes, we tell each other where we cop shoes, all those good things. So go ahead and follow us in the Discord. The link is in the description, okay? So Travis Scott joints, Travis Scott Low. I'm not gonna spend too much time on these because once you've seen one Travis Scott Low, you've seen them all. So I'm gonna be very quick. This is a nice shoe. It's kind of like a reverse of the first Travis Scott Low, in a sense, kind of, but not really, okay? The first Travis Scott Low had a lot of brown on it, but this is kind of a mix between the reverse mocha and the first mocha with some olive. On the upper, we do have some nice high quality leather right here, but we can see that it's kind of like a sail leather on the upper there. We do have that nice big green reverse Nike swoosh right there. We do have those black hits of suede, and this is very nice suede. You guys can see that movement in there. We got white laces, and then we also have extra laces. We have our olive, which I think looks really nice. We do have our black and we do have our red. No pink laces. I like that. No pink laces. I get tired of seeing pink laces, and I also get tired of seeing yellow laces in everything. So I'm glad. And they're all wax coated laces, which makes it kind of like a better quality lace. Midsole is sail, and then our outsole is olive. So you kind of got that army green vibe there. So I like that. On the tongue right there, you get the Cactus Jack, and then you get the Nike Air, okay? So taking a more closer detailed look at these joints, here is our toe box. I like that curvature, looks very nice. Not bad, nothing to complain about there. On our toe box here, we have some nice, good quality suede right here. Very nice. You guys can see that transition. It looks good. The swoosh right here is that same suede material, and you guys can see that. Very nice transition. Same thing with the medial side of the shoe, the mid panel right there. Very good. And then you can see the quality of that leather as I squeeze it there, as I push on it. Very nice. I don't have any complaints with this. I really like the black with the white with the olive, or the suede, or the sail. It just looks good. For some reason, this shoe, it looks so vintage to me that I had to grab it, and that's really the reason why I'm doing the video. The heel of the shoe, you got your smiley face Cactus Jack guy there, and then you have your Air Jordan on this side, and everything looks to be stitched very well, so not bad. Medial side of the shoe, you got your Cactus Jack in black right here, and then you have another olive swoosh right there, but it's going the right way. We got white laces standard going up the shoe, up to the Nike Air tag, which looks good. It's red, it's stitched, looks really nice. I like the placement on that. Standard shoe tree comes in these joints, so nothing crazy there. And one thing I thought was interesting was the insole. It has Air Jordan 23, and it's got kind of like some different, more retro style vibes to it. I like this. It looks nice. The other shoe has something similar, and it has Cactus Jack in here, has a cactus jack right there, and then it has a 23 like bottle cap stamp on there, but definitely nice. It is the standard foam stuff. It's nothing spectacular. It's not really that comfortable, but it is a nice addition to the shoe to see something different inside. So overall, if I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give this one a solid 9. I really like it a lot. It's not too out there crazy with the colors and the earth tones, but it's just enough. So I really like it a lot. Construction and materials, I'll give it a 9.5. Really, really good materials on these, all right? So that's all I got for this one, y'all. I'm not sure when the release date of this shoe is. At some point this year is coming out. I can't remember. I'll put it on the bottom of the screen, but this one is dope. If you have a chance to pick up a pair, go ahead and grab one. Go ahead and grab one now, because this one's going to go quick, all right? So until next time, y'all stay humble. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.